I recently received a message from Ronald Kimbrell asking about MSR titanium pots and heat exchangers. Ronald asked how I fit the heat exchanger on my pot. It's a 2-liter pot because Ronald was having trouble with it. I think your system of boiling water is ideally for me. I'm unable to reduce the heat exchanger, which I'm showing you right here. Am I turning it the wrong direction? A video would help. Ronald, I'm going to give you exactly the video and show you the fitment, the sizes that the heat exchanger fits to, and how to work this thing. Here's the heat exchanger I have, the MSR. Let me take this off my titanium pot. Sadly, I don't think they sell this pot anymore. You can see the heat exchanger mechanism and the screw down system here. It unhooks, it supports 2 different sizes of pot, a very large pot, and then my 2-liter pot. You can see the hook there. And what I do is once I get the diameter set, I can't remember last time I ever changed it, I just simply slide it on like this. There. So what I'm going to do is show you how this mechanism works. Sorry for the shaky camera, you can see, if I can get it focused here. If you want to support a larger pot, you begin twisting the thumb screw this way. Rotate it real slow. Okay, see? And you can start seeing the threads appear here, and you can unscrew this quite a ways, like a long, long ways, because this screw here is 2 inches or about probably 5 centimeters long or so. And now that I've loosened it that much and I put it in the tight position here on my 2-liter pot, this thing is very loose. As you can see, there's quite a bit of gap there. So then I would normally just simply screw it the other direction, tighten it down this way from here to there. Just depends on the direction you've got it. And you'll see less and less of the thread here to the point where, at least on my 2-liter pot, the thread just about disappears. Okay, and now it's snug enough without being too snug. I don't want it to fall off, but I don't want it to be too tight. So just to give you an idea of the inside diameter of this thing, I've got my handy dandy cloth measuring tape. And let's see if I can put this in here. Okay, so this pot, well actually here, let me just measure this pot. I haven't thought this out completely. So my pot is 21 inches in circumference, or for my metric followers, let's see if I can do it here. Okay, it is just about 53.5, 54 centimeters in diameter. But you can expand this another 1.5 inches here, 1.5 inches, or 3.5 centimeters. So if it's not fitting, you can put it up quite large. But all you do is you just begin unscrewing this, and you'll see this has quite a bit of float here. So all you do is look at the direction of the threads. Oops, sorry for the focus. There we go. You look at the direction of the threads. Come on, camera. There we go. And I just simply begin unscrewing it, and you'll see eventually, if you unscrew it, I'm going to do it a lot here, you'll start seeing the end of the screw appear here. You can see the end of the screw here. And now I've got a huge space, so if I put this to the outer, that supports a massive pot. I don't even know, I mean, that would maybe be a 3-liter pot. That'd be super huge. And that's all that you do for sizing up the MSR pot. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching. Please check out my book, Adventure Expedition 1, and my upcoming book, The Motivated Amateur's Guide to Winter Camping. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.